Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKmaths S1. In today's video, which is video number 5 on the series of algebra. For the rest of the videos, you can find the link in the description below. Here we will work with brackets. So gradually we will get advanced from one bracket to two bracket and then square numbers. So right now let's start with these questions. I will explain you part A, G and J. And then 3 parts I have solved below, but you can put video on pause and try solving it yourself and then look at the solution. Okay, so now when you are working with brackets, the very important thing you need to understand the multiplication of signs, right? So I'm repeating here and you can note it down and learn it. With the number line it is very easy, but see here, plus multiplied by plus is equals to plus. I will show you in numbers also. Minus multiplied by minus is also plus, right? So if you have 3 multiplied by 3, it will be plus 9. If you have minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, because minus multiplied by minus is plus, so it will be 9. If I have plus multiplied by minus, it will be minus. So for example, I have minus 3 multiplied by 2. 2 is plus. So 3 2s are 6, but sign will be minus because minus multiplied by plus is minus. And vice versa also, plus multiplied by minus or minus multiplied by plus will be negative. How can you remember it? This is very important. When two signs are opposite, you can see here plus or minus, right? Let me write like this. Or minus or plus. Signs are opposite. In multiplication, sign will also be negative. But when both the signs are same, either both of them are plus or both of them are minus, the answer will be with plus sign. So this you have to remember. There are different ways to remember. Whatever suits you, you do like that. So let me solve part A, G and J. The other 3 I have solved for you in the given below. Okay. So let me solve part A first. Okay. So part A is 2 bracket x plus 6. So bracket mean the number which is outside the bracket, there is no sign, okay? Remember, there is no sign. It is right outside the bracket. So it is multiplying. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. Now this sign is plus and 6 sign is also plus. So plus times plus is plus. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Finish. Expansion is done. Now let's see part G. Let me take other color. Blue is already written here. So if it is 5y plus 4. Okay. So 5 will multiply by y and then 5 will multiply by 4. So 5y plus 5 4s are 20. Done. Now let's see J, which is 7 times or bracket 2x minus 2y. So what you will do now? You will multiply 7 by 2, 14. X will come along. The sign here is plus. When there is no sign, it is plus. When there is no sign here, it is plus. So plus times plus is plus. So you don't need to write here. In the beginning, we don't write. But you see, in the middle, we do write. Now this plus 7 multiplied by minus 2y. Plus and minus sign. Okay. So plus multiplied by minus is what? Minus. 7 2s are 14. Y. Done. So I hope you understood it. Now try to do D, M and P yourself. And then you can see the solution here. I will show you. But you can put the video on pause now. Okay. Okay, now let's do this questions now. Little advanced, not very different, but little different, right? Let me write these signs here again, because in case if you need the reference, you will be able to see it here. Let me write it here as well. Okay. So this sign you have to remember. Okay, so now I'm starting with part A. I will do this part A, D and M. And the other 3 part I have solved here. You will try yourself first. So now it is 2x bracket x plus y. So now x multiplied by x is x square. Please remember one thing, x plus x means 2x, but x multiplied by x is x square because powers add up. In one of my video, I have explained indices. You can see in the link below. Okay. So now when there is no number, it means it is 1. That is understood thing. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 and x multiplied by x is x square. Right. Now this will multiply by this. No number mean it is 1. So 2 ones are 2 and xy. Why did I write plus sign here? Because this is plus and outside also it is plus. And plus multiplied by plus is plus. That you will remember, right? I will not tell this again and again, but you have to remember this. Part D. 4x times 3x minus 2y. Okay. So number will multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. Both are plus. And x multiplied by x will be x square. Now next number is minus 2y and this is plus 4x. So plus multiplied by minus will be minus. Now I will multiply 4x by 2y. So 4 2s are 8 and xy. Right? Now let's see part M. So it is 2x square y bracket y minus 2x. Same technique, everything same. The sign inside the bracket with y is plus. Outside is also plus. So it will be plus 2x square y square. Because you see when this y will multiply by this term, everything will remain same. Only y times y will become y square. Okay, then next is minus. Why it is minus? Because the sign here is plus and this is minus. Plus times minus is minus. Now I will multiply this term by this. There is one x inside the bracket and x square is outside the bracket. That will become x cube. And 2 times 2 is 4. 4x cube and y will come as it is. So I hope you understood this. So I'm showing you the solution of the other 3 questions. You can put the video on pause and try to solve it yourself first to check your understanding. So next video I'm making on expanding and collecting like terms with more expansion. So I hope you understood. Please press like and subscribe button. Take care. Allah Hafiz.